Next we have to discuss about the work done or acceleration for an object sliding down the and down an inclined plane, and also the work done or acceleration for the object moving up and up on an inclined plane. Now we have to discuss these two topic and also drive the relation for these two. First, starting with the work done in moving the block upward a rough inclined plane. Like here it is clear that for this object mg is acting in downward direction. It has two components, normal is acting in upward direction. As the body has to move in upward direction, so friction is acting in downward direction, so the friction is nothing but this, so the force in upward direction, that is mg sin theta plus friction. So by substituting the value we will get this, or I am going to solve it for you. It means like this is the body, making an angle alpha. This is the mass of the body which always act in downward direction. If this is alpha, this angle is also alpha. So we get two component of the mass. This is mg cos alpha and this is mg sin alpha, and this is the normal reaction. And as body has to move upward, so friction will also act in downward direction. So in this case we have to see that we have to apply this force that must be equal and greater than mg sin alpha and this friction plus friction. Friction is nothing but mu into normal reaction, where mu is the coefficient of friction and n is the normal reaction. Where the value of this normal reaction, from here it is clear that normal reaction is equals to mg cos alpha. So by substituting the value here, force is nothing but ma mg sin alpha plus mu. Instead of n we can write here mg cos alpha. So mg is common from both. We will get here mg m a equals to mg. Inside we have sin alpha plus mu cos alpha. M get cancelled with L. So the acceleration in case of a body moving upward the inclined plane, that will be A is equals to G sin of alpha plus mu cos of alpha. This is a case of acceleration, and for work done we know that the formula is force, that is mass into acceleration into distance. So substitute the value of A, we will get work done in case of a body moving up an inclined plane. So that work done is equals to mg sin alpha plus mu cos alpha into S. Similarly, for the downward case, I am giving you a hint. For the downward case, the expression will be mg sine alpha. Instead of plus, we will have minus mu cos alpha into s. But we are going to derive this expression now. Next is when this body moving down an inclined surface. For the body moving down an inclined plane. In this case, the diagram for this will be inclined plane making an angle alpha, object weight acting in downward direction, mg, this is component noun, mg sine alpha, this is alpha, mg cos alpha, this is normal reaction n. In this case, body has to move downward, so the friction is acting in upward direction. So in this case, force is going to be mg, we need this factor to be more, sine alpha minus friction, where friction is nothing but mu n mg sine alpha minus mu n, where n is the normal reaction having value equals to mg cos alpha. From here you can see that n is equals to mg cos alpha. Now by substituting the value, we will get f equals to mg sine alpha minus mu mg cos alpha. Mg common from here, inside you will get here sine alpha minus mu cos of alpha. Again force is equals to mass into acceleration. We will get acceleration equals to g sine alpha minus mu cos alpha. We will get this g. A. Now similarly, work done in this case, work done formula is mass into acceleration into displacement. So work done will be m, inside we will have g sine alpha minus mu cos alpha into s. This is the work done in case of object moving down an inclined plane.